All right, here we have the HURCO TM8i turning center. You have a Hurco control. Operator's pendant. Machine also has chip conveyor, coolant system. You have a collet chuck mounted right now. You have a touch probe. You also have a parts catcher, tailstock. Spindle's currently running at 500 RPM. That's 1500 RPM. That's 2500 RPM. That's 3500. See the parts catcher. And you also have a tool setter. Jog your axes. It's your Z-axis. Nice and quiet, both axes. Tailstock coil. It's a tow-along type. And that basically does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.